Honestly, I have no idea how I am feeling right now. Excited, nervous, maybe both at the same time. Hello everyone, I am Divya Dilip. Today is 10th of April, the final theory paper of our MBBS exam. Woke up today like it's just another exam. But my brain said, bro, this is the last one. Notes half revised, confidence 50-50, and vibes completely dramatic. Walking onto the exam hall like a warrior and walking out like, what even was that question? Years of stress, night outs, last minute revisions, coffee breaks, and kal se padungi, all ending in a 3-hour paper. Some answers were perfect and some were just creativity.
Hello. Hello. Last paper.
But you know what? We made it. From first year confusion to final year survival. This isn't just the end of an exam, it's the end of a whole era. Doctors loading. Grateful for every struggle, every lesson, every little win. This isn't a goodbye, it's the beginning of the next era.